Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. For today's video, as you could tell from the title as well as the thumbnail, I have literally just moments ago received my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer 2 PR package. I'm so freaking excited to dive into this. I of course had to record it for you guys. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer 2 PR package so you guys can get your first look at it. Of course, a more detailed review will be out in a couple of days on my channel, so definitely keep an eye out for that. But also for today's video, we are finally bringing our March giveaway to an end. Today, you're going to find out if you are the lucky winner as well as what the amazing prize is. So definitely sit down, grab a snack, and let's enjoy these unboxings together. Let's go. First of all, I covered up my address here. How cute is it that he made the box look like the palette? I love that. Adore this tissue paper, so freaking cute. And the first item we see here is the Ice Crusher Skin Frost Pro palette. This is so beautiful. I love, again, the packaging around here, the little tissue paper, so cute. And when we dive in here, love this packaging. It's giving icy, it's giving I'm freezing. I adore it. It's like Brain Freeze's sister. I love that. Look at this packaging. We have a little bit of embossment. I really like the way it looks. And then when we open it up here, we are getting such cool, funky colors. I feel like these are going to be extremely blinding. I love the original Skin Frost formula. I think it's my favorite out of all of the formulas of the highlights he has. And we do have a ton of different highlight formulas from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Ice Crusher looks so promising. I cannot wait to swatch it for you guys. Up next, we have, of course, the beautiful Beauty Killer 2 palette. I am so freaking excited about this. I love the outer packaging. It's very, very simple this time around. We're not getting too many bells and whistles, right to the point, but I always love spending my money instead of packaging on actual product. And I wanted to show you here how cute it is, how the PR box, the outside matches the outside of the palette. I love that. And diving into the palette here, now a lot of you are a little bit like, there's kind of some mixed responses on the color story here. I personally think it's very funky and fun. I love that we're getting kind of a hodgepodge of colors to work with. Really, really pretty. I wanted to get a nice close shot for you guys. There are lots of colors calling out my name. I cannot wait to swatch them, play with them, do a tutorial with them for you guys. And now on to my absolute, probably the thing I was most excited about, and that is going to be the Beauty Killer mirrors. Now, when I open this, I wish I saved the audio. I audibly screamed. Why, you ask? It's actually metal. I was not even for a second expecting that. It is cold. It feels so unbelievably luxe. I've wanted so many mirrors in the past to be metal when they weren't. He chose the absolute right time to do it with this one. I am blown away. This is instantly my new favorite mirror from the brand. I again wanted to get a nice close shot for you guys so you can see how high quality and luxe it is. I really think that these are going to sell out super, super fast. So if you can grab one, guys, I highly suggest you do. And that is pretty much it for the unboxing. Definitely make sure you stay tuned to this channel. Make sure those notifications are on and you're subscribed. I'm going to be dropping the review of the collection very, very soon, so definitely keep an eye out for that. All right, now the moment you've been waiting for, we're going to be unboxing the giveaway prize as well as revealing who the winner of this beautiful prize is. Let's jump right in. Ugh, it all looks so glorious. Let's dig right in here. First, we of course have the Pink Religion palette, the most beautiful color story I love. Then I wanted to pack 7 single shadows into here for you. I love the shades I picked. They're different than the palettes that you're going to be getting in the giveaway. And I love that the brand now has single shadows. So, so good. Up next, we have the Supreme Frost. This is in Snow Globe. This is so beautiful. I'm not going to be opening everything on camera, but I had to open this because you have to see how stunning this is. So beautiful. This was honestly hard to give away, but I know you deserve it, giveaway winner. Up next, we have the Star Ranch palette. So stunning. Next, we have 3 beautiful velour liquid lipsticks. We have the shade Virginity. We have the shade Jeffree, What the F? And then we have the shade Cutthroat Love. Such a stunning burgundy. Up next, we have a hydrating glitz lip balm. This is in shade pink roses. Just look at how beautiful that is. I'm not going to open it because I am not going to risk ruining how stunning. How could I do a March giveaway without including the green of all greens, the Money Honey Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick Bundle? I love this. So fun to play with. Then we have the Orgy palette. Perfect color story. You can use it for contour, for your eyeshadow. So good. Then we have two face products. We have a Magic Star concealer. This is in the yellow color corrector, as well as the translucent Magic Star powder. Up next, we have two of the glosses. I absolutely love the shades I've chosen for you. We have the shade Peach Price Tag and Tabletop, both so delicious. Then we have a Holy Mist. I had to give this away. Finally, this is the first time I'm giving away a Holy Mist. So beautiful. I cannot wait for you to try it, giveaway winner. Then we have two velour lip scrubs. The first flavor here is Blood Orange, and then we have, I believe it's Blood Orange, and then we have Diet Root Beer as well. Up next, two velvet traps. We have the shade Jawbreaker as well as Ranch Girl. Up next, two Supreme glosses. We have, of course, the shade Beauty Killer. How could I not? As well as Never Content. And then we have here an automatic eyeliner. This is in Resting Rich Face. I love this packaging, how it slides out. And finally, we have a beautiful hand mirror. This is the gorgeous white marble one. It's soft touch and I love it. Thank you guys so much for participating in this giveaway. Right now, drum roll please, we're gonna reveal the giveaway winner. Tara, thank you so much for your continued support. It means truly the world to me. Guys, don't be discouraged if you didn't win this time around. You know I'm always doing giveaways here. I'm going to be putting my Beauty Killer 2 review up, so you're not going to want to miss that. It's going to include swatches. I'm going to do a tutorial using the palette, all of that good stuff. So make sure you guys are subscribed and all those notifications are turned on. I will see you very soon, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.